Hey everybody, Steve here. Real quick video for you with two things on my mind. Number one is, for those of you who watch the channel, you may or may not know that I am part of a YouTube accountability group where we all cheer each other on and give each other words of wisdom and that sort of thing to help the people in the group get better at YouTube, become more successful and that sort of thing. One of the things that I have never done up until just now is started a Patreon channel. And because of the recommendations that I received from some of the people in my group, for those of you who have been watching the channel and feel like you get benefit out of the channel and would like to give a little bit back, there's Patreon. And Patreon allows you to make a small contribution, whether it be just a quick contribution or a monthly contribution, to help me continue making the videos that I make on this channel. The reason why I did it mostly is because with the COVID-19 thing, I am a solo practitioner, videographer, photographer, and web designer. Things have been a little bit rough this year, so I gave in and decided to add a Patreon. So if you feel like giving a little back, I'd greatly appreciate it, and there is a link down below. Number two thing is something that I've never mentioned on this channel, is that I do have a second channel. I know that I make videos about a lot of things on this channel, but one of the things that I dissected out and created a second channel for was my all things passion music related. So I do have a guitar / music / concert / let's talk about everything under the sun rock and roll type channel, and I will include a link to that channel as well. If you're interested in that sort of thing and you like the way I do videos, please by all means check the description below. I'll add a link to my other channel, and I'm going to be adding content on that channel as on a regular basis, and all of that stuff is going to be music related and music related only. So I appreciate y'all hanging with me. It's been 12 years, had some really good growth over the last 3, and I've been working extremely hard this year to try to really amp things up and turbocharge this channel. So much more to come. Appreciate it, and thank you very much.